For your final report, wait for me. This is the content we will cover in our 这个我们的这个在我们最后的这个期末考啊，然后 assignment 我有一个这个，那就请你贴图就可以了。好 ，What we do, just please praise past. OK， 哎，所以刚刚是停止分享，停止录制。那刚刚有录吗？我现在 praise 或 record right？ 是之前我是 stop 还是？好，我现在开始录。OK， 好。For your final report， 上次你们已经学好 final report your data set, right? Okay, so this is for final exam. Final report, I have given you the English and the Chinese instructions. I think it is very clear. And this is the last part is for your cross validation. Cross validation. Yeah, I'll give you the matrix today. The rubrics, just like last week, we have mentioned. Last week we mentioned a lot, right? But this week I will deduct it some part because we're not covered in this semester. Yeah, we didn't cover that, still I will let you know. The part we didn't cover is for today. 我们那个陡坡图就是 the graph we draw is elbow methods. K equal 4. K means SSE, calculus COH coefficient for both results. Which one is higher? And profile characteristics is very easy for everyone, each part. But we don't do the association, I think. Is there any association? If you use the English subtitle, will +5. If you use the 2 or more data set into analysis, +5. This part could be 2 data set will be +10. Okay, but 3 plus data 就2个以上，我们就是加10分，行吗？所以你本来 original data set +1 加5 +2 加10 +3 no longer. OK， 好，我来看一下哪一些我们还没教到。Association rule， 我们会把它变成 association rule we do not cover here. Association rule we do not cover. So this 12 will delete this semester. We will delete. 但是我怕弄错哈，这个 delete， 然后这边就会变成0。We do not cover this semester. 这样子会差了一些部分嘛，对不对？ So I will increase other part. I will increase other parts. Okay, yeah. So final. We do not do the yellow part. We just do the other part. And random state this year will be today. 我的车祸日，人生第一次。Okay, will be today. Okay, and I will upload this, and I give you the Chinese version in the same time. Okay, 我也会给你中文版，可以吗？这是中英版。然后我今天没有教的 association rule will be the extra point. 好，那你要做的话，就会给你额外的作业，行吗？那今天做的，请你截图。Today will also upload the results. Also upload the result, please do that. Copy and give the result. The result is the final part is here. Please go to this and give the final result here. And pass. I want you go here. This is the final part. I want you paste. 我希望你最后贴在这边 paste. The final part, including your name and results. Have to cover the PEP. Yeah, and this is today's upload. Okay, and also 我们也会有 Titanic 的作业让你做练习，然后所有观念法则我都拿掉，然后我们考试就考到这里。哦，我要不要再讲一个必考题 ？OK， 好，必考题。必考题哦。Okay. I will give you a very important and I will appear 你的 final present final 好 what is the difference for pain and paintings? Pain and paintings. First method. Supervise. If you have something to do, it's okay because we record the video. Supervise. And this is unsupervised. 监督式跟非监督式 unsupervised is a verb. 第二个 K means neighbor. 这 means stand cluster. 好，第三个 central. 你的执行是谁？未知数 the data 你未知数是执行，但是呢 Henry's 的执行是什么 ？The result, the cluster result。这个是需要测的资料当执行，所有人跟我算 take 最近的。This is the cluster result as the central. So these three parts is very important. Okay, so class dismissed. Thanks for your cooperation and thanks for your joining with us in this semester. Yeah. And the other part I will upload into the chat box and YouTube as soon as possible. Thank you.